So today we will study the simplification of inverse trigonometric functions. So before that we should know some formulae on this. Let me write down. Like first formula, sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta. Sin 2 theta formula. Sin 2 theta has another formula. Sin 2 theta 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So sin 2 theta has two formula. Looking at the situation, we will use it. Suppose I have got another one, cos 2 theta. It has so many things, like first one, cos square theta minus sin square theta, or it would be 2 cos square theta minus 1, 2 cos square theta minus 1, cos 2 theta 1 minus 2 sin square theta, again cos 2 theta, it is 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. So cos 2 theta is 4 formula. We will see the situation, we will use it. Then tan 2 theta, it is 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Okay, this is 2 theta angle. Now say 3 theta angle. You have to remember everything. It will help you in the differentiation and integration also. Suppose sin 3 theta, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Okay, sin 3 theta. Then cos 3 theta, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Similarly, tan 3 theta, 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Okay, 3 theta form. These are the some important formula which you have to remember. Now look at some other questions like 1 plus cos 2 theta uses 2 cos square theta. If you find 1 minus cos 2 theta, you uses 2 sin square theta. And 1 plus sin 2 theta, it uses cos theta plus sin theta whole square. These are the basic formula you use in the differentiation integration. Better to remember everything. Then 1 minus sin 2 theta, it is cos theta minus sin theta whole square. Okay, then comes some other important formula. You studied all this in class 11. I am repeating it. See another one. 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. It is tan pi by 4 plus theta. Similarly, 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta, it is tan pi by 4, tan pi by 4 minus theta. Okay, now some other formula again I am writing, like if you find a square plus x square form, if you find a question in this form, then you have to put x equals to a tan theta. If you find a square minus x square form, then you have to put x equals to a sin theta. If you put x square minus a square form, then put x equal to a sec theta. So with this we can start our questions. Suppose I got a first question here. Question will be simplified. Suppose I got tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. I got a question, suppose. So our intention will be, if it is tan inverse, we have to make it tan form. So that tan inverse, tan will be cancelled. So what formula I should write for x? What should I substitute here? This will be tan 2 theta. Look at the formula I have given you. Tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. We get a similar pattern here. That means in place of x, if you write tan theta, then it will be 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Look at the pattern here. So I can write x equals to tan theta. So theta will be tan inverse x. Theta becomes tan inverse x. Okay, if you put x is tan theta here, what will you get? The tan inverse 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. This part became what? Tan inverse tan 2 theta. Because this will be tan 2 theta. So tan inverse tan cancelled. You are getting 2 theta. 2 theta. Theta means what? Tan inverse x. Okay, we started with this simple question. Let's continue. Let me take one more. If I find tan inverse 3x minus 4x cubed 1 minus 3x square. So every time you notice any formula of tan, this is always 1. You notice it? I'll talk about this later. So now tan inverse means you have to choose a formula from tan which is similar to this. I think you can find out. The formula will be tan 3 theta formula is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. This formula you look at similar pattern. 3 tan theta minus, no 4 here. 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So I can put x equals to tan theta. Then it will be tan inverse 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Okay, this will be tan inverse. This is what? Tan 3 theta. So here you write tan 3 theta. So tan inverse tan cancel. 3 theta. Theta you can find out from here. What is theta? Not tan inverse x. So 3 tan inverse x. Look at the pattern. What the important part is, you have to select a correct formula to use here. Okay, let me continue. Another question on this. Suppose I take cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. So you have to choose the formula of cos which is in this form. Look at, I have given you since cos 2 theta, there are so many formulas. Cos 2 theta has so many formulas here, but which one is fitting here? It is 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. That means in place of x, if I write tan theta, not tan square theta, in place of x you will write tan theta, then only it will be simplified. Put x equals to tan theta, theta equals to tan inverse x. So cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. If I put x equal to tan theta here, it will be like this. So that will be cos inverse cos 2 theta. So that will be 2 theta, which is 2 tan inverse x. Okay. Now let's change a question. Suppose I write sec inverse 1 by 2x square minus 1. Okay, what is the clue? If it is sec inverse, we have to make it sec, but it is in the reciprocal form. That means if this part becomes cos, theta, then 1 by cos theta will be sec theta, it will get cancelled. So you have to make this one as cos. So to make it cos, you check the formula of cos. What is given to you? You are given cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Look at this formula is given. So I can write here, so x is equal to cos theta, theta is cos inverse x. So this will be sec inverse 1 by 2 cos square theta minus 1. So sec inverse 1 by cos 2 theta. So 1 by cos is sec inverse sec 2 theta. So sec inverse I cancel 2 theta. So 2 cos inverse x. This pattern is clear. Suppose let's enter into a difficult question. Suppose I got a question, simplify tan inverse cos x plus sin x by cos x minus sin x. So directly no formula is in this form of tan. The problem here is what it will do here, this will become tan. Now look at tan, there is a clue every time, this part is always 1. So first you try to make it 1, then your problem is sorted out. So how to make it 1? Now dividing the numerator and denominator by cos x. So let's do the same. Dividing the numerator and denominator by cos x. So tan inverse, look at, if I divide cos by cos, this will be 1. If I divide sin by cos, that will be tan x. Then if you divide cos by cos, it will be 1. Then you divide sin by cos, it will be tan x. So now you look at, I have given a formula 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. Look at the formula I have given. This is tan inverse tan pi by 4 plus x. Look at the list of formula. Directly this is a formula of this one. So tan inverse tan cancelled, you will get pi by 4 plus x. So clue, when it is tan inverse, try to make it tan. Okay, suppose I have got another question. Tan inverse 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x root over. You have to practice these questions repeatedly, then only you can remember it. So you look at which pattern is this. Important is if you keep your formula in the mind, everything will be sorted out. See, look at, I have given a formula. 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta, it is 2 cos square theta. Notice here, angle becomes half. 2 theta becomes theta. So angle here is 2 theta, example कौन है? X. X will be x by 2. So this will be tan inverse 2 sin square x by 2. Why x by 2? Now if 2 theta becomes theta, x will be x by 2 divided by 2 cos square x by 2. Then its square root. 2 cancelled. So tan inverse sin square by cos square is tan square x by 2 but root over. That is tan inverse square root square cancel, tan x by 2. So tan inverse tan cancel, it is x by 2. Okay, let me repeat one more question. If I get a question in this form, this is one of the important questions, try to see. It is tan inverse 1 plus x square root over minus 1 by x. Tan inverse 1 plus x square root over minus 1 by x. This is entirely different question, but I have given you a formula clue that if a square plus x square you find, then you have to put x is equal to a tan theta. Look at, I have given a clue on this. So what is a for us? Now here a is 1. See, a square plus x square. A square plus x square. That means your a is 1. Then what will be my substitution here? Then it will be x equals to a means 1 tan theta. It means only tan theta. Theta equals to tan inverse x. Bit lengthy, try to see. So that will be tan inverse 1 plus tan square theta square root minus 1 by tan theta. Okay, you know the formula 1 plus tan square theta is how much? Tan inverse sec theta minus 1 by tan theta. Now still it is not simplified. So what I have to do here is, when it is not simplified, I have to write in the sin cos form. Then you will get some result on this. So let's write it in the sin cos form. That will be tan inverse 1 by cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta by cos theta. Look at this, what are you going to do here now? So that will be tan inverse 1 minus cos theta by cos theta. I have taken the LCM divided by sin theta by cos theta. Okay, cos the cancel. So what's left out? So left out part is tan inverse 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Now what to do? Some formula again you have to relate. So there is a formula, look at, I have given you 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. The angle becomes how? Again sin 2 theta I have given you. 2 sin theta cos theta. Only the pattern you remember, it will be easy for you. 2 theta becomes theta. 2 theta becomes theta. So 1 minus imagine cos 2 theta. So half angle will be here. So half angle means what shall I get? I will get tan inverse. This is 2 sin square. Half angle means theta by 2. Theta will become theta by 2 divided by sin 2 theta form. Sin 2 theta. Only in place 2 theta we have theta. So it will be half angle. Half angle means 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Look at, compare this one with this. This angle becomes half. So this angle will become half. Now 2 cancelled, one of the sin is cancelled. So you are getting tan inverse sin by cos is tan x by 2 theta by 2. Okay, now I have to simplify here. So tan inverse tan cancel, that is theta by 2, which is half. Theta means what you have got? Tan inverse. I am giving one question like this, you try to solve. That is tan inverse 1 plus x square plus 1 divided by x. Exactly same pattern, only in place of minus I get a plus. Formula is there, you try to compare. This you try to solve. Okay, let me take another pattern. Suppose I take simplified. If I write cot inverse, suppose I will take now. Cot inverse 1 plus x square root over minus x. Whether tan or cot, the clue is here. Clue is here means it is a square plus x square from x equals to a tan theta. So a is equal to 1. A is 1 here. That means our x will be only tan theta. So theta will be tan inverse x. So cot inverse 1 plus tan square theta root over minus tan theta, only 1 plus tan square theta minus tan theta. So that becomes cot inverse sec theta minus tan theta. Okay. So here is a difficulty now. What difficulty you find? Okay, let's write sin by cos because directly nothing coming. So cot inverse 1 by cos theta sin theta by cos theta. Okay, so cot inverse, if I take LCM is cos theta, then it is 1 minus sin theta. Okay. Now where I am going to compare this one? To compare that, there is 1 minus sin 2 theta is cos theta minus sin theta whole square. This is the formula I have given you. Keep the formula every time in your mind, then only you can sort out. Okay, if this is cosine form, cos ka formula also you have to use, which is in the cosine form. So different formula if you use, you are not going to get the result. So cos in the cosine form, which formula? Look at, I have given you cos 2 theta, I have given you cos square theta minus sin square theta. Yes or no? This formula I have given you. Now both will be in the cosine form. Only difference is 2 theta becomes theta. So theta will be theta by 2. So what is our conclusion? Cot inverse. This if you compare with this, cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 whole square. Then divided by cos theta you have to use cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. So 2 theta is theta. So theta will be half angle. Okay, now here something is visible. If I factorize it, a square minus b square formula, one of them will be cancelled. So what can I write? I can write this is cot inverse cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 whole square divided by a minus b a plus b cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 a plus b a minus b cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2. Similar factor, same factor or not? So two factors, one will be cancelled. So what is left out? Cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. So here I had given a clue, you have to make this one 1. How to make it to 1? Now divide numerator, denominator by cos theta by 2. So divide. So dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta by 2. So that will be cot inverse cos by cos 1, sin by cos tan theta by 2, cos by cos 1 plus tan theta by 2. इसका भी मैंने डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला गिवन यू जस्ट नाउ, यू जस्ट चेक इट. That will be cot inverse 10 pi by 4 minus theta by 2. This is a direct formula. Okay, but here the problem came up. This is cot inverse, this is cot. So 10 को you have to make it cot. How to make it cot? And you have to use this formula. You remember this. The tan theta equals to cot 90 minus 10x, you write. That means what is x? X is this one. So cot 90 pi by 2 minus this. So your answer will be, what will be your answer? Not cot inverse cot 90 minus pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Because 90 minus x, in place of x you have pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Now open the bracket of cot inverse for the cancel. So pi by 2 minus pi by 4 plus theta by 2. So 90 minus 45 is 45. So pi by 4 plus half tan inverse x. Okay, you got a question like this. Suppose, let me repeat one more question here. Suppose tan inverse. Acha, like this you can try also one question. Try tan inverse 1 plus x square root over plus x. This you try. Similar pattern, exactly same. Now I will take another question. This is simplified. Simplification is tan inverse x by a square minus x square under square root. So intention tan inverse it should be 10. But here I have given a clue, you try to check. I've given a clue. A square minus x square, you put x equals to a sin theta. I've given you this clue there. So what I will get? The tan inverse x means a sin theta by a square x square. So a square sin square theta under square root. So that is tan inverse a sin theta by, if I take a square common, 1 minus sin square theta. That is tan inverse a sin theta. This is a square का root over a. But what is the formula of 1 minus sin square theta? That is cos square theta. So cos square theta, if I write, well, let's write here a square cos square theta. The next line I can write tan inverse a sin theta by a cos theta. Now look at it simplified, a cancelled. So what did you get? Tan inverse, this is tan theta. Okay, that is theta. But what to find? If x is a sin theta, then x by a equals to sin theta. Then theta equals to sin will come this side, sin inverse x by a, which is, this is your answer. Okay. So it has some questions. Today I will be leaving here. Tomorrow I will continue some more difficult questions on this.